If I look into this first type of problem, it is based on the idea of NPR and NCR. So what happens in such kind of problem is you have to directly apply the formula of NPR. Now NPR is nothing but n factorial by n minus r factorial, and NCR is nothing but n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. So there are two steps in such kind of questions. First you apply this formula, then you do simplifications based on factorial notation and you get your answer. Now let us see a question that was asked in 2023 on this idea. So in this 2023 question, they have given ratios of two NPRs and they want us to tell the value of this expression. So again, we have two steps here. First step would be to find this ratio. So if you write 2n plus 1 p, n minus 1, it is n factorial by 2n plus 1 minus n plus 1 factorial. And then if you divide this by 2n minus 1 pn, it becomes 2n minus 1 factorial by 2n minus 1 minus n factorial is equal to 11 by 21. And now if I simplify this, this can be written as 2n plus 1 factorial by 2n minus 1 factorial and n minus 1 factorial by n plus 2 factorial is equal to 11 by 21. See, now here what you can do is a very simple simplification based on factorial notations. Now let us look into that. So in the step 2, this 2n plus 1 can be written as 2n plus 1, 2n into 2n minus 1 factorial divided by 2n minus 1 factorial. And the denominator part, that is n plus 2 factorial, can be written as n plus 2, n plus 1 into n into n minus 1 factorial, and that is 11 by 21. Once you have written in this manner, now you can see that this part, that is 2n minus 1 factorial and n minus 1 factorial would get cancelled. And what is left is 2n plus 1 into 2n by n into n plus 1 into n plus 2 is 11 by 21. And now this n will get cancelled out. So what we are getting in numerator is 4n plus 2. And denominator n square plus 3n plus 2 is equal to 11 by 21. Now we need to simplify this. If I simplify, this becomes nothing but 84n plus 42 is equal to 11n square plus 33n plus 22. If I simplify this, I get a quadratic equation, that is 11x square minus 51n minus 20 is equal to 0. And if you solve this equation, you get the value of n as nothing but 5. You will have to solve it as vicious calculation, but there is no way around it. So once you have done this, next step is very simple. Now in the last step, they want us to find the value of n square plus n plus 15. So if I want to find the value of n square plus n plus 15 in the third step, it is going to be nothing but 25 plus 5 plus 15, that comes out to be 45. And that is nothing but our answer. So it involves a lot of calculation, but actually it is a simple kind of application involving NPR and NCR. If you like this video, you will also like PRACB's unique approach to teaching students or guiding students for the last mile journey. So if you are a student who has been preparing for 2 years and going to write this exam in 2024, this is one of the best ways and platforms that you can prepare with. Unlike other crash courses who focus on teaching 100% syllabus in just 2 to 3 months, which a student took 2 years to prepare, we have a different way to approach the problem. This process works on 3 very specific steps. In step 1, we start from you. What exact preparation have you done in the last 2 years, last 1 year, last few months? And what is the minimum amount of effort, areas, concepts and problems that required to be prepared to get a very good college from JEE Mains? In step 2, based on this customized plan that was prepared based on your strengths and weaknesses and the minimum path of least resistance that you can take to get into a very good college, we align you a one-on-one faculty, a faculty who is going to teach you as a student, keeping your needs into mind, where you are getting stuck in a topic, what kind of problems you cannot solve, and how to solve those problems in a very efficient and smart manner and convert that topic into tangible marks in JEE Mains. In step 3, we attach you to a test series, a testing platform where you can test yourself for each and every topic that you're preparing. You can write full syllabus tests and get an understanding that how this program is working for you, wherein the faculties can again sit with you and customize the plan based on your needs so that your score is getting maximized in JEE Mains exam. Using this program, Ashish was able to maximize his score in JEE Mains and JEE Advanced and was able to get into IIT Madras Mechanical in just a matter of 3 months. If you are one of those students who think that he has got the potential, who can make it, and he wants to have a smart and efficient approach at this point of time, which can maximize his or her result in JEE Mains exam, you can apply for this program in the link given in the description, and somebody from my team will get in touch with you and help you out. See you until next one.